Okay children, let's start new chapter, the refraction of light at plane surfaces. In 9th grade we have learnt what is the reflection. Here we are going to learn refraction. Okay, so briefly we discuss what is the reflection. So this is the one object, this is the incident ray inciding obliquely on this object. It is an opaque object. Okay, and what happens, it will return back to the same medium, means it is the air, again it goes back to air only, right? This is called reflection. It doesn't pass through that object, it will go back. This incident ray is a reflection ray. The angle bit is a normal. Okay, when light passes through this normal, it will go back, reverse. Okay, but when it is obliquely falling on this object, it will go obliquely back into the same medium. This is called angle of incidence, angle between normal and the incident ray. This is incident ray, this is a reflected ray, and this is called angle of reflection. There are two laws we found in this in the reflection concept. That is, one is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, and second one is the incident ray, reflected ray and point of incidence are lying on the same plane. Okay, incident ray IR, reflected ray and the point of incidence are in the same plane. This is about we studied in the 9th standard. Now we are going to study the refraction of the light. So for this one we should understand what are the speeds of the, in second paragraph they have been given the speeds of the light speed in different medium. Okay, so what in vacuum it is 3.3 to 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and in case of air also same, in water 2.25, and in glass it is 2.10 to the power of 8. Okay, after that they are saying something here, how the while passing from the one medium to the other, if light slows down, the second medium is said to be optically denser than the first medium. Okay, for example, here what happens in refraction cases, this paragraph refers to it is not falling on the opaque object, it is falling on the some transparent homogeneous medium. See here, light travels at a constant speed in a transparent homogeneous medium. Now we are talking about with respect to homogeneous medium. Means the homogeneous means it is made up by same type of molecules, atoms. Okay, heterogeneous means it is a mixture, right? So if it's a glass means pure glass. When light falls on this one, what happens? It does not reflect back to the same medium. Instead of that one, it will be passed through that transparent medium. So actually here also this is a line of normal line. Normal line. This is the actual path of the light. It should go like this. Instead of going that side, it will bend towards the normal and makes an angle. That is called angle of refraction. Okay, this is the angle of incidence. Okay, why it happens means because of when light passes through this medium, its speed will be decreased. That's why it changes its path from this is AO, it should go in the OB, but it will go along the OC. Okay, that's why they are saying, while in this paragraph, when light passes through this medium, its speed will decreases. Then we can say this medium is denser than this medium. Again, if the speed is increases, then we can say that medium is rarer than this first medium. Okay, say for example it is coming outside, its speed will increases. Okay, means here is there, right? It is rarer than this medium, like that. For example, this is about the basic things that only has they said. So we need to understand what is the optical density. Optical density is depends on the speed of the light. For example, there is some water you keep like this in a jug, some beaker like this. Water is there. I kept some kerosene. It floats on the water. It floats means it is the rarer than our water according to the molecular distance. We are there in paragraph below. Intermolecular separation depends on this one. We can say one type of density, that is a physical density. Here molecules are closer, here molecules are little apart as compared to the water. So that's why these are become rarer. But actually, with respect to the light physics, light chapter, it is reverse. It is becomes denser, this becomes rarer, because the speed of the light in air is more than air speed of the light in kerosene. So it is the denser. The medium in which the speed is more means, and compared to other, it is that is rather. What is it? Sorry, rarer than that medium. Okay, this is the same thing here. They explained in paragraph 3. In next paragraph, refraction of light definition is there. 9 point, what is reflected light? When I say it falls here, and the transparent light, some light will be again goes into the same medium, that is called reflected light, and the remaining will pass through this medium, that is called refracted light. Okay, means some partially reflection happens and refraction also happens. So definition they given: refraction, the change in the direction of the path of the light when it passes from transparent medium to another transparent medium. One transparent medium to, say for example, is the air. It is one transparent medium. It goes into the other transparent medium. Then its path will be changes. It will go like this. Instead of going like this, it will changes like this. That is called refraction. This is surface phenomenon. On the surface only it is happening. Okay, next the angle of incidence means same thing only. Okay, here also if it is slab, this is called angle of incidence, and this is the angle of refraction, angle between the normal and the refracted ray. Okay, write one more diagram. Examples here. This is the slab, this is the normal, this is the light incident ray, and this is the refracted ray. So this angle between the normal and incident ray IR, this is called angle of incidence. This is the A, BC, this line BC, and this NOP angle. This angle is called angle of refraction. Here angle of incidence. Okay, when it is okay, next topic is about angle of refraction. Done, over. When a ray of light travels from a rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray bends towards the normal. Means here angle R is less than angle I. So incident ray only greater than angle of refraction. Okay, when light travels from denser to rarer to denser, denser to rarer, from here again outside coming like this, right? Okay, we can say moves here, where it's going outside here. This is normal, it goes away from the normal. When it travels from denser to rarer, it goes away from the normal. But only here saying towards this one. So this angle of refraction is denoted by delta. Delta is equal to, here in case of rarer to denser, angle I minus angle R will come. In case of denser to rarer, delta is equal to angle R minus angle I will come. Okay. the ray of incident normally on the surface separating the two media. When light passes like this, it will go without deviation. There is no angle. The deviation of the ray is 0 here. Okay, here rarer to denser, delta is equals to I minus R, and in case of denser to rarer, our delta is equals to R minus I. In case of it is normally incidenting, inclined normal, angle of deviation is 0. Okay, next topic. When a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, its direction changes because of the change in the speed. I already discussed. In passing from one medium to another, if light slows down, it bends towards the normal, and if light speeds up, it bends away from the normal. The speed of the light remains the same, means it passing from one medium to another medium. The ray of light does not bend, it passes undeviated. Means passing from one medium to another medium, the light remains the same. Okay, bends. The ray of light does not bend, it passes undeviated when it goes through the normal. In case of normal incidence, angle I equals to 0 degrees for light passing from medium to another. The speed of the light changes, but the direction of the speed, direction light does not change. See, this is a slab. When light passes through this normal, the speed may be changes, but direction won't changes. It undeviated. Okay, it will pass through like this only. Next, loss of refraction is there. Let's start that also. What is the first law? The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And second one is the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence I to the angle sine of the angle of the refraction, R is constant for the pair of given media. Okay, from loss of refraction we do in next video. Thank you children. Bye.